Hello friends, let us come to know about the top 10 wonders in India. There are much more than 7 top wonders in India. The architecture of this country reflects its culture and diversity with its famous landmarks being the remnants of the same, with each remnant telling you a story, be it a declaration of love, a memoir, or a historical account of life during ancient times. Each monument stirs up a certain kind of emotion in you or acts as a time machine taking you back to the past. Thus, let us come to know about the top 10 wonders in India. Now we come to one topic one by one. The first one is Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the right bank of Yamuna River in Agra, UP in India. The Taj was commissioned in 1631 by 5th Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to house the tomb of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj is one of 7 wonders of the world also and was constructed by Shah Jahan in the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal in 17th century. The Taj is built by architect Ustad Ahmad Lahori in 1632. It functions as monument and mausoleum. That's all with about Taj Mahal. Second, Victoria Memorial. We come to know about the second top wonders in India is Victoria Memorial. The Victoria Memorial is a remains of British Empire in India. This building is dedicated to the British Queen Victoria and is built at river shore of Hooghly. Its architecture is in English, Mughal and Egyptian style. The Victoria Memorial is a large marble monument located in Maidan in central Kolkata. It was constructed between 1906 1906 and 1921 year by the British Raj in the memories of very lovable Queen Victoria, who was the Empress of India since the year 1876 to 1901. It stands at 64 acres of garden. It is a museum and tourist destination that houses arts objects. Garden, it is a museum and tourist destination that houses art objects, historical relics and documents relating to Indian history. Hello guys, friends, let us come to third option, that is Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. It is located in Mumbai on western part of India, touching shores of the Arabian Sea. This building was designed by F. W. Stevens, spreading across 90 to 85 hectare area built in 1887 and stands as one of the iconic structure in India. The stunning terminus, recognized as a UNESCO's World Heritage Site since 1998, this stunning masterpiece, iconic architecture, was formerly named as Victoria Terminus. Now come to fourth, Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar is located in Delhi, the capital of India. It is a 72.5 meter or 237.8 feet tall in height and made of red sandstone. It was built as a victory monument to celebrate the defeat of a rival kingdom. The tower has 5 stories, each with a projecting balcony. The first three made of red sandstone, while top two of marbles. The tower is decorated with intricate carving and verses from Quran. It has inscription in Arabic and Nagari. Has inscriptions in Arabic and Nagari characters. Its construction began in year 1199 by Qutbuddin Aibak, founder of Delhi Sultanate. Aibak's successor Iltutmish added three more stories, and while Firoz Shah Tughlaq added final story, at last UNESCO took over it under World Heritage Site. Now come to fifth, India Gate. India Gate is a war memorial located at eastern end of Rajpath, formerly known as King's Way, New Delhi. India, it is tall about 138 feet or 42 meter in height and made of sandstone archway. It is tall about 138 feet or 42 meter in height and made of sandstone archway. It was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens and its construction began in the year 1921 and completed in 1931. India Gate has wheelchair accessibility, entrance and parking lot. India Gate honors the soldiers who fought in World War I, the Amar Jawan or Flame of the Memorial Immortal, Immortal Soldiers is a memorial to Indian soldiers died in 1971 here with Pak. Now come to Gateway of India, Six Wonders in India. Gateway of India is an arc monument which is located on the waterfront at Apollo Bandar in Mumbai in India. It overlooks the Arabian Sea and is one of India's most popular tourist sites. Gateway of India is a symbolic ceremonial entrance of India. The last British troops left India through it in 1948. Gateway of India is also gathering spot for locals, street vendors and photographers. It is built to commemorate the landing of King George V and Queen Mary in 1911, and the foundation stone was laid on March 1911 while completed in 1924. Gateway of India was designed in Indo-Saracenic Saracenic style and made of yellow basalt stones. It is 85 feet and in meter 26 meter tall, and the central dome is 50 feet in meter 15 in diameter. The Archaeological Survey of India manages Gateway of India. Now friends, let us come to know about seventh wonder in India, that is Mysore Palace. Mysore Palace is located at Mysore of Karnataka in India and also known as Amba Vilas Palace. This palace was built in Indo-Saracenic style and was designed by British architect Henry Irwin. Palace was completed in 1912. The palace has a walled complex including temples, shrines, and residential museums. The palace has a darbar hall with an ornate ceiling and sculpted pillars, and also has a Kalyana Mandapa with a glazed tiled flooring and stained glass. The palace has a jewel encrusted golden throne displayed during Dasara. The palace is a famous tourist attraction in India. It has been the site of political upheavals, disaster and destination, but has always risen out of the ashes more significant than ever. Now come to eighth wonders in India, that is Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is a palace in Jaipur, Rajasthan in India. It is one of the most iconic heritage sites in Jaipur and in India. Hawa Mahal is a beautiful palace that holds great historical and cultural significance. Also, it is a testament to the Maharaja's dedication to his people and arts. It was built in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. Hawa Mahal is also known as Palace of Winds and is it was built in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. Hawa Mahal is also known as Palace of Winds and is a five-story pyramidal shaped structure. The palace is made of pink and red sandstone. In Palace 953, small windows which are called as jharokhas are present. It is an emblem of Rajputana architecture and was designed by Ustad Lal Chand. It was built for court harem so that they could witness the royal processions and street life. Friends, now come to ninth wonder in India, that is Bridheshwar Temple. Bridheshwar Temple. This temple is one of the largest Hindu temples. Bridheshwar Temple is one of the largest Hindu temples in India. The temple is known as Peruvandayar Kovil, Thanjai Periyar Kovil, and Raj Rajeshwar Temple. It was built by Chol king Raja Raja Chol first around 1010 AD. It is Dravidian architecture and is UNESCO World Heritage Site located on south bank of river Kaveri. This temple is also famous for its sculptures and brass Nataraj statue. It has one largest Shivlingam in India and also has a massive column necklace prakar, that is corridor. It has a Biman tower above Shrine Talar in South India. The temple was originally built around a moat and include a Gopuram inscription scores, for scores. It is taller in South India. The temple was originally built around a moat and include a Gopuram inscriptions, frescoes and sculptures, mandapam and monuments were added in later centuries. Now the last one, 10th wonder of India is Ajanta Ellora caves. Ajanta Ellora caves are a collection of 30 Buddhist caves, temples and monasteries in Maharashtra, India. The caves are known for murals, sculpture and carving. The caves are executed into a cliff face in a horoscope shape around Waghera river. Ellora caves are collection of rock-cut temples and monasteries. The caves are known for Buddhist and Jain arts. Known for Buddhist and Jain arts. The caves are located in a basalt cliff wall near Aurangabad. The caves were built by guilds from Vidarbha, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. The caves are patronized by Rajputas, Kalachuris, Chalukyas and Yadavas. The Kailash temple is one of the remarkable cave temple. The cave 15 is known as Dasavatar. Popular for 10 avatar of Lord Vishnu, Ajanta Ellora Caves a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These caves were built between 5th to 11th century AD. These caves, Ajanta Ellora caves, were discovered by British officer John Smith in 1819. Thank you. That's all about